Welcome, witches and wizards, to the magical world of Harry Potter. If you're a fan of the iconic series, then transforming your home into a Hogwarts-inspired haven is the perfect way to celebrate Halloween. From enchanted classrooms to spooky forests, the world of Harry Potter offers endless inspiration for an unforgettable Halloween experience. Whether you're planning a grand Halloween party or just want to bring a little bit of that wizarding charm to your home, these Harry Potter decoration ideas will transport you straight into the heart of the wizarding world. One of the best things about decorating with a Harry Potter theme is the ability to mix magic with mystery. Think floating candles, potion bottles, and enchanted objects that capture the whimsy and wonder of Hogwarts. For this Halloween, we're going to show you how to transform different areas of your home into magical scenes. From a great hall dining setup to a Forbidden Forest-inspired yard, you'll have no trouble bringing your favorite elements of Harry Potter to life. This theme is ideal for all ages, whether you're hosting a kid-friendly Halloween or a more grown-up, spooky affair. The beauty of Harry Potter is that it balances fun, fantasy, and a touch of darkness, making it the perfect source of inspiration for the spookiest night of the year. Ready to add a bit of wizarding magic to your Halloween? Let's dive into our Harry Potter-themed decoration ideas. Our first stop on this magical journey is the iconic Great Hall of Hogwarts. The dining experience is one of the most memorable scenes from the Harry Potter series, and recreating it in your own home is easier than you might think. Start with a long dining table to give the feel of the great, grand banquet setting. Cover it with a rich, velvet tablecloth in deep maroon or dark green to mimic the opulent colors of Hogwarts. For an added touch, use gold or silver tableware and goblets to replicate the grandeur of the Great Hall. One of the standout decorations you simply can't miss are the floating candles. These are an absolute must to bring that magical feel to life. You can DIY them using lightweight plastic candles, string, and invisible thread to suspend them from the ceiling. The effect is nothing short of enchanting. If you prefer a simpler option, battery-operated LED candles work perfectly to mimic the ambience without the need for wires. To complete the scene, decorate the walls with Hogwarts house banners, Gryffindor, Slytherin, Hufflepuff, and Ravenclaw, so that each guest can feel like they're sitting under their house's crest. Don't forget to add a few enchanted objects on the table, like potion bottles with glowing liquids or magical spellbooks to truly bring the scene to life. This Harry Potter dining setup is not only perfect for Halloween dinner parties, but also adds a truly magical vibe to any gathering. If these Harry Potter-themed Halloween decoration ideas brought some magical inspiration to your home, make sure to give this video a like and share it with your fellow witches and wizards. Next, let's step outside and transform your yard into the mysterious and slightly spooky Forbidden Forest. The Forbidden Forest is full of dark, magical creatures, ancient trees, and eerie lights, making it the perfect setting for a Halloween yard display. Start by placing tall, dark trees, or large artificial ones, around your yard to create that dense, forest-like atmosphere. You can add faux spider webs, giant spiders, and skeletons to give it an extra eerie feel. Hanging lanterns are a great way to add soft, glowing lights to the scene, similar to the ones Hagrid uses when exploring the forest. For a magical touch, add fairy lights around the trees to mimic the appearance of enchanted creatures like unicorns or centaurs hiding in the woods. You can also scatter some life-sized cutouts of magical creatures like Thestrals or even Aragog, the giant spider, for that added wow factor. Another great idea for the Forbidden Forest is to incorporate sound effects. You can use outdoor speakers to play forest sounds like rustling leaves, owl hoots, and even a distant werewolf howl to make the experience even more immersive. Whether guests are trick-or-treating or just passing by, they'll feel like they've entered the heart of Hogwarts' mysterious and magical forest. Which Hogwarts house are you decorating for this Halloween? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear how you're bringing the wizarding world to life in your home. Last, but certainly not least, transform one of your living areas into a cozy Hogwarts common room. The common rooms are warm, inviting spaces where Hogwarts students gather to relax, chat, and study. To recreate this, focus on using rich colors and vintage furniture to create a warm, old-world atmosphere. Use plush couches and armchairs with throws and pillows in the colors of the Hogwarts houses, Gryffindor's red and gold, Ravenclaw's blue and silver, and so on. To make the space feel truly magical, add some floating candles or lanterns to give the room a soft, warm glow. You can also incorporate Harry Potter-themed accessories like framed photos of famous wizards, Hogwarts house scarves draped over chairs, and even an owl figurine or two to represent Hedwig. Hanging vintage-style portraits on the walls will also give your space that Hogwarts charm, as if the portraits themselves could start moving at any moment. Bookshelves filled with spellbooks and magical artifacts are essential for completing the common room look. You can even hide small trinkets around the room that reference the movies, like a golden snitch or a marauder's map, for your guests to discover. These little details are what bring the Harry Potter world to life, making your common room a space where both kids and adults will feel like they've stepped right into the magical world of Hogwarts. For more spellbinding Halloween decor ideas, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated on all things magical and spooky. Now let's bring the magic indoors with a Harry Potter-inspired potion class setup. You can easily transform a small table or shelf into Professor Snape's potion classroom by adding a few key elements that scream witchcraft and wizardry. Start with a variety of potion bottles. These can be old glass jars or bottles that you can fill with colored liquids, glitter, or small spooky objects like fake eyeballs or rubber snakes. Label each bottle with names like Polyjuice Potion, Veritaserum, or a Felix Felicis for an authentic Hogwarts touch. For the perfect backdrop, use an old chalkboard or print out potion instructions and frame them on the wall. Add some cauldrons of different sizes to complete the look. These can be used to store candy, trinkets, or even dry ice for that bubbling, smoky effect that's sure to amaze your guests. Another great idea is to include some faux spellbooks, quills, and other magical tools scattered around your potion station to add to the authenticity. To make the potion class feel even more interactive, you could set up a small DIY station where guests can create their own potions. Provide small jars, glitter, food coloring, and mini potion labels, and let everyone mix their own magical concoctions to take home as a fun party favor. This hands-on approach adds an engaging element to your Harry Potter decor and will surely make your event even more memorable. Looking for more magical Halloween inspiration? Check out our Halloween decor playlist for enchanting ideas to transform every room of your home into a wizard's haven. Last, but certainly not least, transform one of your living areas into a cozy Hogwarts common room. The common rooms are warm, inviting spaces where Hogwarts students gather to relax, chat, and study. To recreate this, focus on using rich colors and vintage furniture to create a warm, old-world atmosphere. Use plush couches and armchairs with throws and pillows in the colors of the Hogwarts houses, Gryffindor's red and gold, Ravenclaw's blue and silver, and so on. To make the space feel truly magical, add some floating candles or lanterns to give the room a soft, warm glow. You can also incorporate Harry Potter-themed accessories like framed photos of famous wizards, Hogwarts house scarves draped over chairs, and even an owl figurine or two to represent Hedwig. Hanging vintage-style portraits on the walls will also give your space that Hogwarts charm, as if the portraits themselves could start moving at any moment. Bookshelves filled with spellbooks and magical artifacts are essential for completing the common room look. You can even hide small trinkets around the room that reference the movies, like a golden snitch or a marauder's map, for your guests to discover. These little details are what bring the Harry Potter world to life, making your common room a space where both kids and adults will feel like they've stepped right into the magical world of Hogwarts. Harry Potter has become a timeless classic, and what better way to celebrate Halloween than by turning your home into a magical wonderland straight out of Hogwarts? Whether you're going for a full house transformation or just a few key elements, these Harry Potter Halloween decoration ideas bring both enchantment and wonder to your spooky celebrations. Loved the Harry Potter decorations featured in today's video? Check the description below for links to all the products, so you can bring the magic of Hogwarts to your Halloween. So, whether you're hosting a Harry Potter-themed party or just want to add some magical flair to your Halloween decor, take these ideas and make them your own. Don't be afraid to get creative, add your personal spin and bring your favorite scenes and characters to life. In the end, it's all about creating a space that transports your guests straight into the magical world of Harry Potter. Enjoy casting your Halloween spell this year, and may your decorations be as magical as a night at Hogwarts.